Today's busy mama is Janet Davis. Good morning to you.
Morning, Karen. How are you?
So good. Tell me about your family.
Well, I have a son, my one and only Robert. He's 14 and he just started high school this year, so it's a little different and interesting. My background is Jamaican, but my brand is flavor, so I love to feed people and just have them ask for more. So we do Mediterranean, we do gluten-free, we do American Southern. So we do food and events and event management because they're sort of all intertwined.
And what kind of events do you like to do?
I've done large events. You know, the convention, we did 2 days back-to-back, 2,000 bites we had to bring for each event.
Janet.
Hi, Mike.
Janet Davis. She's been on the show before. Always love it when you come by.
What better time than to have celebrity chef Janet Davis with us with wonderful Jamaican treats this morning. It's wonderful.
Yes, it's Chef Janet here. You know why we wanted you on for this segment?
Why?
Because you're spicy. I would have in Jamaica.
That's right. You can have this after the jerk chicken and the red stripe. We have a tropical fruit medley, fresh tropical fruit, a little brown sugar. All right. So this will add a nice flavor and help thicken up the sauce as well.
Oh my gosh, that's really good.
It's very refreshing.
Very. I feel like I'm in Jamaica.
Hey, welcome to the islands.
I happen to bring along
This
my
is your famous
Jamaican
rum
rum cakes, and so I did the cupcake version. And this, again, is a fruit cake, a traditional fruit cake, but it's the fruits all mixed up and grounded up and making these cupcakes. And what I did is I garnished them with a little cherry, so you can swap the cherries,
And
the
this
green,
is
the
your
red.
signature dish
And this
here.
is my signature with some frosting.
Today we are making
Curry red snapper with bok choy. So we're going to get the spices onto the fish, and I'm just adding some adobo.
adobo. What is that?
It's like a Spanish seasoning.
I love you, Janet, because you were born in Kingston, Jamaica.
Yes, I was.
So you have the pedigree, Hugh. She's got the pedigree.
Yes, I do. Both my parents are great cooks. We're making a gourmet 3-cheese grilled cheese sandwich.
We got 3 other cheeses. Cheeses maybe you've never heard of that we're going to make a sandwich in the next hour. So hang around for that. Yeah, we have no cheesy thing here.
Yeah. Let me see. How's that?
Fantastic.
Good, right?
Oh,
Yummy.
that's ridiculous.